Good morning, dear students. Our lesson today, 7.3, apply the Pythagorean theorem to solve problems. Page 398. The key concept: you can use Pythagorean theorem and its converse to solve problems involving right triangles. Page 396. Read the question. Read, understand, think, do, and of course, finally check your answers. What the length of the diagonal D of a rectangle with length 19 feet and width 17 feet? To solve this question, it's good to draw the rectangle. This is the rectangle and this is the diagonal D. How to find D? Of course, we have the two sides or the two legs of this right triangle. So use Pythagorean theorem. Remember, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 19 squared plus 17 squared equals d squared. Find 19 squared and 17 squared. 19 squared is 19 times 19 is 361. 17 squared or 17 times 17 is 289. Add them, it's 650. So 650 equals d squared. Now, how to find d? Use the inverse operation of the square of the power 2. I mean the square root. Page 396. Read the question. Read, understand, think, do, and of course, finally check your answers. What the length of the diagonal D of a rectangle with length 19 feet and width 17 feet? To solve, go to the next question, page 397. Read the question. Take your time. Do it yourself. You can stop the video and do it. Have you finished? Yes? Okay, check your answers with me. The first thing, we must complete the right triangle by drawing this segment. Now we have a triangle. Of course, the third side of this triangle is 24 divided by 2, it's 12. So the right triangle has two sides, 12 and 15. How to find h? Of course, here 15 is the hypotenuse and h is a leg. How to find a leg? From Pythagorean theorem, it's square root 15 squared minus 12 squared. Now find 15 squared minus 12 squared. 15 squared is 15 times 15, 225. 12 squared is 144. Subtract. The answer is 81. So h equals the square root of 81 equals 9 feet. Now, answer the question. Should this company rent the tent shown at the right? Of course, no. Why? Because the company wants to rent a tent that has a height at least 10 feet. So 9 is not good. So no, they shouldn't. Page 398. Read the question. Try to do it yourself. can stop the video. Have you finished? Yes? Now check your answer with me. The question, how long does the ladder need to be to reach the roof of the shed? We have, where the ladder is the ladder. We have a right triangle here. Here it is. Now we must find the hypotenuse. Of course, the hypotenuse is the longest side in the right triangle. Remember, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. How to find c? C equals the square root of 12 squared plus 35 squared. 12 squared is 144. 35 squared, 35 times 35, take your time, multiply, it's 1225. Add now, the answer is 1369. So we must find the square root of 1369. Think, yes, it's 37 feet. Here it is. Now we must find the hypotenuse. Of course, the hypotenuse is the longest side in the right triangle. Remember, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. How to find c? This is the rectangle and this is the diagonal D. How? 19 squared plus 17 squared equals D squared. Find 19 squared. 19 squared is 19 times 19 is 361. 17 squared or 17 times 17 is 208 root. So now try to estimate what the value of square root 292. Yes, it's about 17.1. So 17.1 equals C. Then the length of the inclined plane is about 17.1 feet. Thank you and goodbye.